From Divine Brother of the Light, Michael Love, Earth Alliance Space Weather Intel, January 9th, 2023. Solar Discharge Watch. Great One, the sun is rocking and rolling, the earth is shaking and quaking, and the vibrational field around the planet is at max Q tonight. All systems are green light go for a super solar flash, as light forces docked in Earth's solar system are closely monitoring heightened activity on the sun at this hour. Earth starseeds are reeling from the massive extreme X2 class ultraviolet flash that ejected off the sun's corona a few hours ago, and many say their vibe is going through the roof. The Earth Alliance confirms a massive plasma cloud is indeed inbound for Earth now, and this debris cloud is extremely dense and packed with exotic light particles. An Earth Alliance Critical Space Weather Watch, Solar Discharge Watch, and Tectonic Plate Watch are still active tonight, and the chances of one or more powerful X-ray flare occurring over the next 3 days has now increased. Why is this a big deal? The Pleiadians say a powerful Earth-directed X-ray flare by itself can instantly propel this entire planet into the next highest dimension. However, there is something much more powerful going on here. 2 massive Earth-facing sunspots are both charged to the max right now, and their complex Delta-class magnetic instability has the potential to ignite multiple explosions simultaneously across the entire face of the sun. High-frequency gamma light emanating from the galactic core has been interacting in a big way with Earth's sun for some time now. This light is composed of advanced packets of information that make up the entire universe, and these higher dimensional light packets are carried to Earth on solar rays. When they make contact with a dormant primary DNA strand, the strand is immediately activated or lit up, just like a fiber optic cable, and the strand reconnects back into its corresponding multidimensional chakra port. At that point, much higher levels of information begin flowing through the crystalline cells of the human body computer, and this information is then decoded by and made available to the consciousness that inhabits the body. The higher one's level of consciousness, the more data one has access to, even the data that makes up what is called the future. Many ascended light beings who can see this way have pinpointed the great solar flash and the ascension and liberation of humanity as occurring in the time frame between right now and March 2024. With that said, know that it could occur before lunchtime tomorrow. It is known when the super flare comes, the Earth will not experience an extinction-level event as it has 5 times in prehistory. Humanity will not only survive, but they will also find themselves existing and thriving in an entirely new 5th-dimensional reality right here on Earth. There will be no cataclysm this time because for the first time in human history, mankind has the technology to save itself from a complete pole shift and planetary extinction-level event caused by a major solar flare. Incredible otherworldly counterbalancing magnetic field technology has been in place for several years now in Antarctica that will hold the poles in place when the flare impacts. This counterbalancing magnetic technology has already saved the day since 2012, as the North and South poles have dramatically shifted hundreds of miles off course since then. When the super flare does come, the electrical 3D matrix of Earth will be toasted for good, but this is just the universe's way of turning off the madness. After this, mankind will return to the power and magic of nature, and they shall all come together in higher conscious communities to build the new 5D Earth. This new world is the prize you have been striving for, and it will be a world of peace, love, freedom, joy, health, and abundance that will endure forever. Great One, the Pleiadians say something much bigger is causing all the current heightened solar activity, and something major is going on behind the scenes. Just like clockwork, a massive dead star located in the Oort cloud moves in close through the gravitational fields of Earth's solar system every 13,000 years. This star is so large its gravitational force creates a tilt on this entire solar system, and it alone is responsible for the precession of the equinoxes. The ancients knew well about this extra heavenly body, and knowing where it was at all times was one of their primary focuses. When this star comes into close perihelion to the galactic core and Earth's sun, it pulls massive amounts of exotic light out of the galactic core, and this high vibrational light interacts in a profound way with Earth's sun. This interaction creates super high charges in the sun's corona that will trigger cosmic-sized X-ray solar flares. This star made its latest 13,000-year inbound orbital appearance in Earth year 2012, and its perihelion with the sun is closer than ever at the moment. As the Pleiadians often say, it's not a matter of if, but when everything in the heavens lines up perfectly for the great solar flash to occur. Conditions are optimal right now on this very night. Be in great peace and hope. Think about it all for a moment and see the majesty that is all around you. You are here right now on a grand mission to witness it all and to escort all of humanity into the kingdom of light on earth. Thank you for coming to Earth at this time and for all you are doing. More major X-flares are coming in the next few hours, so stand by and brace for the light. Let us know how you are doing on your ascension journey, and feel free to share any ascension symptoms you may be experiencing at this time. Godspeed, Michael and the Pleiadians, from 5DEarthProject.com.